morning, folks. Mike Koya here at Sheila Subaru. Today we're going to talk about something really exciting, and it's called cruise control. Let me show you what I mean. So what the dynamic cruise does is it sets a distance to the car in front of you. So what I'm going to do now is push this button right here, and that's my cruise control button, and it lights up a little car in front of me, and I can adjust the distance to the vehicle that I want to follow. So here I am setting my distance at 3 bars, for lack of a better term, and I'm going to set myself at 70 miles an hour, and I'm going to set my cruise. So I'm setting my cruise control at 72, and I'm following along. If the car in front of me slows down, I'm going to stay equidistant from that car. The crazy thing about this is once you set it, I take my feet off the pedals. I don't have to touch the brake or touch the gas. The car is going to monitor my speed depending on the traffic in front of me. It works in heavy variable speed highway traffic. If this is a traffic jam and we were going 5, 10, 15, 10, 5, back and forth slow speeds, I still don't have to touch my accelerator or my brake. The car will adjust it for me. So it takes all my thought process out of trying to stay where I need to stay on the road, because the car, I've already told it where I want it to be with my distance meter here. I can get a little more fun and hit my lane centering button where it says active lane centering, and then I can let go of the wheel, and then the car will just keep me centered between the lines. This is not autonomous driving. It's just a little helpful hand. It's actually going to yell at me any second and tell me to put my hands back on the wheel because it doesn't want you driving. Please keep hands on steering wheel, which I'll do. But as an example, I'm going to change lanes and come up behind this white van. And we see a little car light up right there in front of me. So the car has acquired that vehicle. And here's this guy just changed his mind. This is a great example. He changed his mind. He was going off that exit. He came back in and slowed way down. Normally, conventional cruise, I've got all kinds of things to do. Stop, change lanes, swear. Now I don't do anything. I just let the car keep me equidistant from that car in front of me. And it really reduces your stress level when driving in heavy traffic. I'm not a big fan of the lane centering because it's kind of moving my steering wheel by itself, so I'm going to turn it off. But now here's a school bus. Am I going to smash into the school bus? No. We're going to slow down and keep myself equidistant from the bus. Now I'm going to go around the bus. I haven't touched the pedal. Now the car is bringing me back to my 72 miles an hour that I asked for earlier. Dynamic cruise, when employed properly, and it's hard not to employ properly, it's pretty easy to use. It takes a little practice, a small leap of faith, but the car will do exactly what it's supposed to do, and you get used to it, and it's really the best thing since sliced bread, in my opinion.